guys. Hope I am not late for today's session. So I am just waiting for few traders to come, then we can begin our session. Sorry for being late. I have some problem with the software as always, and today we are going to check the mistakes in trading and investing done by traders and investors at the same time. And there are a lot of people doing basic mistakes. Hello, good evening, wise men. How are you? You are the first to show up. You are. I see watching. There is zero watching, and you are watching. So how is that? This software doesn't work good, I guess. So hello, Art Sikov. How are you? So we will begin our session in a few minutes when everybody is here, as always. And I see Arti Vikov, Aman John. How are you, Aman John? Wise man, Art Vikov. So you are 3 guys. I see 6 that are watching, but the other 1 are hiding. They don't want to join. They just listen, and maybe they are scared, you know, scared of the chat room or something. But it's okay. It's okay. The subject of today is a very long subject, so we try just to do as much as we can, and I will expose. Hello, Joshua Luz. Good evening. So here it's like 11:05 or 11:07, so I don't know. It's night or morning for some people. Hello, Mohammed Benaba. How are you? So we have right now 5 watching, so we will just wait for a little bit, and then we can begin our session for today, which is mistakes in trading and investing. And hope I get a lot of questions like last session, and we can develop this, and we can answer, we can share information in this session, because it's not always I am me who is talking, but there are some traders who can share and give maybe their experience or their mistakes they have done before. And mostly there are a lot of traders. The big mistake of a lot of traders and investors so Mohammed bin Naba, you are waiting for me, but are you do you live here in the USA since you are waiting, or you are living in Algeria? Because you know, in Algeria we have only a stock market with 6 stocks. So are you here, Mohammed bin Naba, in the USA? Which state are you in? So as I told you before, you know, the guys who are in the, living in the West, when they watch my live session, they are in early time, but for us, I begin at 11. It's just to make sure everybody is here, because sometimes if I begin early, there are some people who can't. Oh, you are there? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I understand. It's like 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock in there. So sorry for that. Yes, 4:13. Yes, it's here. It's 11:13 here. It's like 5 hours from Europe, from the west of Europe to here, which is very fine. Joshua, you are from California, so California we have 3 hours less So you are at 8 o'clock. This is very good for you because you just begin the night, which is very good. But here, those who are in the East Coast with New York time, it's 11:13. I understand. That's why I don't want to make it so long. Okay, at least people, they can go sleep and so. Okay, so as I told you, the mistakes done by traders and investors, okay, there are some, either they are traders, they do mistakes by combining techniques from investing and techniques from swing trading, for example, and they mix them, okay, and this creates a problem. I will give you an example. One of the guys sent me an email. He said that he bought a stock. The good thing that he succeeded to make money, which is good. But he told me that he has seen the fundamentals and he knows about the company, and the company makes millions of dollars, and because he is good in that trade, he has the feeling that he is doing right. Okay, it's just I'm telling you. Hello, JJ. Hello, JJ. So he has the feeling that he has done good and he knows what he is doing. I told him, what are you doing? Are you doing swing trading or are you doing investing? Are you following me or following your strategies? If you are following your strategies, it's okay. You do whatever with your strategies. You combine whatever you like. You do whatever you like because you are free. But if you are following me, I will give you instructions, and whenever I see that you have done a mistake, I will tell you that you have done a mistake. That's it. I'm just telling you, okay? I don't ask you to do anything else than to think about your trade. Now, in his trade, I see that the company has lost money in terms of stock. It has two big gap up down. Okay, and this is very dangerous in swing trading. When I see that a stock has a very big gaps up down, gaps down, two gap downs, it means they have one gap down before and then we have another one, and the stock was still going down, except when it stops, it's going up. He thinks that because of his knowledge and because he understands the company that he is making money. I'm telling him, no, you are false on both ways. Hello, just for YouTube. Okay, I'm having all the guys with me. Most of the names are here. So I told him that first, if you want to do investing, it's not a company has made millions, or it has let's say 70 stores and each store make $1 million. That means that this company is good. It's not. All the companies are making some money, but competition is very harsh between big companies, medium companies, and small companies. Small companies sometimes get crushed or get bought by bigger companies. Why? Because the small companies, they can't compete. If you put a product, for example, let's say a product, you sell it for any product, just an example, okay? I'm not saying example, just an example. If a product you are selling for $10, you are a small company, you can't make it less, because when you make it less, you lose money. You can't make money from that. Another company, big companies, put it at 5 and it is the same product. Who do you think will succeed? The big company or the small company? The small company will lose. Okay? So there are other things that you should see in a company if you want to invest. It's not just it makes 1 million. Man, I see, what is this million? It's a company and it has 70 stores. 1 million is not some money that people talk about. Okay? Now, I told him, what if there is another gap down and you lose all the money that you made, and then it will eat from your principal money? He doesn't believe. You know, this guy, it's like he is blinded by the trade he's doing. He's doing good trade. He has made some money right now, but he doesn't know what's going on. What I see is a catastrophe coming, but he doesn't see it. That's why for me, I'm not going to advise people here, and I am not advising people in my channel. I'm just giving you my experience, how I trade, what are the dangers that you can face in your trading, and my training is not an advice. It is a way to do business. It's just a training. Okay? Joshua asks a question. He says, hello, Adam. Adam S. So we have two questions. I'll begin with Adam because he's the first asking the question. He says, what's your favorite index? I don't have a favorite index. I don't usually work with indexes, and I work with stocks. So you should understand what I'm doing. I am doing trades with the stocks. I don't follow indexes. Why should I follow an index? Now, if you go to my training level 3, when I speak about index, okay, it is just a way to see stocks. Some indexes are doing good. You see some stocks there. Maybe you can make money through my criteria. It's not that just you see an index going up and then you buy stocks or you buy the index itself. No. Okay? So I am not concerned a lot about the index. I am concerned about the stock itself, because in the same index, some stocks are going up, some other stocks are going down. So the main thing is that you have strategy and you can make money with either ones, going up or going down. This is the main thing. Okay? So this is for Adam S. Now for Joshua, I say, is it possible to do a few scalp trades while swing trading? Now I have a small strategy. If you are interested to see it, it's a training level. I think it's level. Let's see what is the name of the strategy. I forgot. I have a lot of strategies. Okay, let's see. I will give you the training number. Just you can go and check it. Yes, it's called, I will give it to you here, training level 15. Okay, this is the training. Okay, Joshua, please check in the chat room. It's a training level 15. Make money strategy less than a week using candlesticks. This is a strategy that it is small. It's like 1 week, 1 week or 2 weeks. That's thing. But this is just staying according to candlesticks. If you are interested, you just take a look at it. But if you are looking about scalping, when you say scalping, we mean day trading and we mean just a few seconds or few minutes. This is what we call scalping. So don't use words with different meanings, because when you say to a day trader, are you a scalper or do you do day scalping, he will know what you are talking about. But we don't do scalping in swing trading. Swing trading is long, we follow trends. So we don't just scalp, we go just 1 minute or two and then we exit. Because we do follow the trend because we don't want to go out and in each time, okay? And we will be making money with the whole trend, not just a few days, 1 day or 2 or 3, okay? This is what I am saying about short term. Even some people, when you talk to them about swing trading, they have in some books they say short term trading. This is what they talk about, okay? Just few days or 1 week or 2. But swing trading, it's everything, okay? You can stay days or weeks or months, okay, as the stock is going up, okay? This is for Joshua, and I know that you have my website and my email, but here is my website and email. If you have questions, just send me emails or just check the website and try to see it. Now, one should get training level 18 is one of the best training. Thank you very much for your testimonial. Each training I do has a specific thing about my strategy, okay? And training level 18, how to short the market without even shorting. This is a good thing. When you see a lot of indexes become to go down, you can short those indexes, but not using the normal way that we know is to short a stock, okay? We don't, okay? It's specific. If you are interested, you can just check it. It's training level 18, how to short the whole market or sectors or indexes. I'm not speaking about stocks. You just short indexes, sectors and indexes that you know. Any index, you will find how to short it. And in my training, it gives details about this, okay? Now, another question from Adam. Will trend reverse for energy as long it's lowest now? How about oil and gold in future? Now, see, the trend for energy has already reversed a long time ago. And it has gone like 70 or 80%. Okay? Now, I don't know right now if it's going down again or it goes up. I didn't check. Okay? Because I didn't buy energy sector stocks for a long time. Because all they are down. Okay? So you should how about oil and gold in the future? No, see, Adam, you should understand how I work. I don't work with predictions. Okay, I don't work with predictions. I don't tell you, as the other people says. Okay, predicting is very easy. You can predict. You tell me, oil will go up, and maybe next month or 6 months it go up. So, but predicting. Okay, anyone can predict, but not anyone can trade. This is for sure. For us, we are following signals in the market. When we find a signal according to my criteria, we buy the stock and then we see in the following days if it's going up, yes or no. Are we making money, yes or no? If not, we exit because we are false. So we don't predict anymore. We are just following our criteria. And Adam, for today, that means Sunday, I give a discount, 65% for videos and 80% for what is it, for ebooks. If you are interested, you can check training level 13, how to buy from the support line, if you like this. Okay, and you can order the training and you can study it, and it gives you techniques how to find the support line and how to buy and maybe make money. Okay, now just for YouTube, he asks, Kareem, I want to thank you for your trainings. I had good success with swing trading with your strategy last 3 months, but last 2 weeks I'm using the strategy with day trading, having super success. Okay, if you can do good in swing trading and then you do good in day trading. In day trading, you should see training level 12, which is having techniques, and if you get success, it's very good. Good evening, Vincent, NYC. Now, have you personally short the market yourself, and how long did you stay in the trade? Okay, see, in this year I didn't do shorting the market, and I didn't stay in any trade. You know the reason? Because most of the market is going up, so I am not worried about if, for example, almost all the market is going up and few industries are going down. I don't care about those because the stocks that go up gives more opportunities than the other going down. Now, when I see that the whole market is changing the mood, most of the indexes are going down at that time, I will see a lot of shorting, because this shorting, it is not the same as shorting stocks. It means there is interest rate and there is no, it is a new way of doing the shorting. It's the same as you buy a stock, and if the market goes down, the stock will go up. Okay, it's like this, but it is not really shorting like what you see shorting like to short sell a stock. Okay, individually. This is about the whole index. If you are just interested, you can just go to the training 18, how to short the whole stock, the whole market, and you can just study. And if you have questions, you can just ask me questions. As you can see, I am in a trade for 3 months and nearly 3 weeks. I'm still there. Why should I worry about the market which is going down? For me, it's going up. I don't care about other people who their stocks are going down. I don't care. So I am doing the trade that I'm doing right now. Okay. Now, Joshua, just for YouTube, I am feeling comfortable with day trading with current corrections in the market. Swing trading seems like dangerous in this market. No. Just for YouTube, I'm telling you one thing. You are speaking about 2 styles of trading. If you are comfortable with day trading, stay with day trading, because swing trading is different. Swing trading, we are following trends, and you should just find the stock that it is trending and you can make a lot of money. Day trading is another thing. Now, for me right now, it's 4 years I haven't done day trading. I don't feel to do it. I don't feel to wake up at 7 o'clock and to see the volume, to see the news and following myself and get stressed and try to see where is the direction of the day. This is a lot of things. I don't want that. That's why I shift to swing trading, because when I buy a stock and it goes up, I am making money every day, and I don't care. I don't care to do it, to go into the market each day, 1 time or 2 times or 3 times. I don't care anymore. Okay? So I'm doing swing trading. This is what is good for me. And this is what I teach for other people who like swing trading. I have only one training for day trading, okay, which is training level 12 and training level 11. Those people who wants to short a stock in day trading. These two are good training for day traders, plus the stop loss, okay? Plus the stop loss. You can even use my search in order to see possibilities of stocks that are going up or going down. The stocks that are going up, you can go long in day trading. The stocks that are going down, you short sell them, okay? This is day trading, but I'm not doing day trading anymore. That's what I do. If you feel just for YouTube, if you feel comfortable with day trading, stay with it. And in the future, if you are making money, okay, it will be a specialty for you. You just continue, and from that, if you are so good, you can go to futures, and there you can make a lot of money. It's risky, but you can make a lot of money if you are a good day trader. This is the opportunities for you. Vincent, what do you think of ETF? No, see, Vincent, I don't think about anything. Okay, I don't think. Mostly I buy stocks, I don't buy ETFs. Okay, this is in general. And whenever a stock, because ETF it is a stock, whenever a stock comes into my radar and I get a signal and I like the stock, I buy. If it is an ETF or it is a stock, I don't care. Okay, I don't care. So I can't give you an opinion about what will happen in the future, because I told you I don't predict. I don't predict what will happen in the future. I do, as I told you, with my live trading that I am doing with the swing trading, I am following the trend. I change my stop loss when I have a new information. Okay? But I am not predicting. I don't say tomorrow the stock will be up or down. I don't. And I don't have to. Okay? I will stay until the end of the day and see what the day is. Adam, people aren't making money in SM. Now, what is SM? No idea what is it. So, Adam, you say people aren't making money in SM. What do you mean by SM? I have no idea what is it. Now, Joshua, another question. Is your candlestick theory based on support and resistance line? Yes, it is based on support and resistance line and other criteria that it is mine. So it is, because when you see support and resistance line, which support and which resistance line are you talking about? Because there are hundreds. If you see a chart, you will find hundreds of support and resistance line. And also which time, okay? And there are other criteria that I use. Okay, so in order, Joshua, in order to know what I am doing, you should at least, for example, go and take my subscription for 1 month. You will find how I search for stocks. You will find how I choose them. You will find for trading for free. It's like this. You should try what I am doing. And then you can ask good questions because you know what I am doing and you can follow me. But let's say you don't follow my training. So I can't give you my training, explain my training here because I am not doing training here. I'm just explaining and sharing what I think is right and what I think it is wrong in the market according to my experience. Okay? But I'm not going to give you details about my strategy. This is impossible. Now, JJ says, can you use going long ETF to build a portfolio like 401k fund? And if you can, how do you reinvest your profits? No, see, in 401k, most of the time you have mutual funds in it and you have bonds. This is most of the mutual funds. So you can go to your mutual funds and you can see what they do. It means, are they doing good through years? Yes or no? And you can change that. Okay? You can go online, go see where is your 401k. Because if you don't, if the company, which is the 401k, the 401k company that holds your funds, are putting the money themselves, it will, most of the time it will not be good or beneficial for you. Okay, so you should go there, check each trend that you are in, how much money they put there, and try to change it if you don't like it. Let's say a trend that it is a loss. You see that in 10 years from the inception, it is 1% or 2% or 3%, or it is minus. Are you going to stay with this trend? It means that this fund is a loser, and the manager who is managing this fund is a loser. So if you are continue putting money in the future in that fund, it means that you are losing more and more and more money in the future. That's why they give you the opportunity to go by myself, because they know that the people, they don't understand anything in stock market or investing. They don't understand. That's why they do from their end. Okay, they do from their end, and they put money wherever they like, not wherever you like. So my suggestion is just suggestion. You go to your 401k, you check, and you see that it's wrong, it's not moving fast, and there are some trends, some funds that are moving faster, and they are good managers. You can change them, and they will give you opportunity to change. Now, ETF is when we have indexes. ETFs are tracking indexes. So you should see if your 401k have ETFs. Because I don't know. You should, each one is different. Each company is different. Okay? JJ, what is NYSA? You know, New York Exchange NYSE stands for New York Exchange, and ARCA is like another market for New York Exchange. Okay, so these are very easy, JJ. These terms are very easy. Okay, you just write the question in Google and you can get it with details. So for me, I can't give you details because I should Google it also to know every detail. Hello, Chris Clark. Sorry, I'm going down and see all the questions. Chris Clark says, hello, how are you? Did you just start this lesson? Yes, we start this lesson around 30 minutes. But it's okay, it's okay. These 30 minutes that you don't see, you can see it tomorrow when the video is up on YouTube, and you can check it. You can check it again. No problem with that. Let's go and continue the questions. Wiseman says, worrying about lots of the market going down is for people that do investing for many years or forever. Yes, you know, investors, they worry when the market is troubled and maybe his mutual funds are going down and the whole market is going down. He will lose a lot of money that he made before. Yes, he should be worried. That's good. Another question from Joshua Lewis. How often do you move your stop loss? Oh, okay. Joshua, when I see a new information, I move my stop loss. Sometimes I don't move my stop loss. In order to know how I do, I have a live trade. 3 months and 3 weeks I'm still in. You can go to training level 7, how to follow an uptrend, or you can go to my subscription. You order the training, and at the end you find the trade that I am in, and you do what? You study it, okay? You study and you see how I am moving my stop loss. Because stop loss, at first, the first stop you do is just to protect you from the downside. Now, the other stop loss in the future are protecting your profits. But as I told you, this is a very detailed explanation. You should go to training level 7, how to follow a trend. You study that techniques into theory, and then you go to my trade and you see it live. And there are yesterday I put the lesson number 13 in that trade. Okay, now when you see that, you understand how I follow a stock. Okay, this is a skill. You need to learn the theory and practice in order to do like me. Okay, so if you want to, and tomorrow, it means from today to tomorrow, which is Sunday, I give 65% discount, which is the biggest discount I have given, until tomorrow, which is Sunday, and ebooks also 80%, and then just go and take it and study it. If it's good for you, you follow it. If you have questions, you ask. That's it. But here, Joshua, I am not going to give you a training material here or information. I would not. But I'm just giving you the general ideas. My information, my techniques, you will not find them online for free. Okay, so if you find you can go and you can go videos or books or training or whatever. It's a very difficult subject, and each provider gives his own theory about things. So this is what I know and what I do. Okay. Chris Clark, he says, why not trade options and use financial derivatives? Yes, options, forex, futures have more risk in themselves than stocks. For example, if you put $50,000 in options contracts, don't tell me I will put only 500. No, someone who has big accounts. Okay, you put 50,000 in one stock, options like calls or puts. What if you have a gap down tomorrow? You buy, for example, calls. Do you understand that if you put $50,000 tomorrow, if you have a gap down, you will have only 5,000 or 2,000 or 7,000 from 50,000? Do you understand how risky you are in? So, options, forex, and futures are for day traders and experienced trader who have a lot of money. Okay, so it's not because it's options it's cheap. No, because you are buying a lot in order to make money from the thing. So each market has its own risk, his own benefits. If you go to forex, which currency pairs, it has its own benefits and own risk. Options also, and futures also, with commodities. Each one has its own, and the people are doing, most of the time, all the people are doing day trading. Because if you stay longer, like many days, either you make a lot of money or you lose a lot of money. So it's a game for the big guys who are doing day trading, and they are the whole day and night they are trading. Okay, that's why for me I'm doing only stocks, because the risk is known and you are not risking too much money in the market. Vincent, he says, when does short squeeze usually happen? When it happens when a stock gap up most of the time. No, see, short squeeze, what does it mean, Vincent? It's very simple. Let's say you short a stock today, but after the market close, there is a big guy, mutual fund, and he buys a lot. Now him is very powerful. He pushed the market up, and in the morning you are obliged to buy back the stock so expensive. Okay, sometimes it is double or triple or more. Okay, some people, they go bankrupt because of this short selling. That's why for me, I'm telling you, in short selling, in for example training level 11, how to sell short a stock, I say do it in day trading. It means from 9:30 to 4 o'clock do shorting, and then close your trade. That's it. Don't leave it after tonight, because if something happened bad, and especially with small stocks, if it is a small stock, believe it or not, it is manipulated, the stock. And there are thousands of people who go bankrupt because of penny stocks. They think it's easy, they can short, but sometimes it goes so bad against them that they go bankrupt. It means if you put $10,000 in a small stock like $1, you short it, $10,000. Tomorrow it is $5. What does it mean for you? For you, you have lost $50,000. You put only $10,000, right, to short the stock. But if the stock goes from $1, it goes to $5 tomorrow, you should pay $50,000. $10,000 is gone. You should need to bring $40,000 to your broker. If not, he will take you to the court. So try not to play with this short selling and futures and options and the other stuff. Stop playing for this until you understand the stock market trading. When you understand trading very much, and then go slowly to futures or options or forex. If you want to do day trading, go slowly and understand what you are doing. Okay, this is what I always suggest to the people. This is just my opinion. I don't care what you do in your life. You go to short a penny stock that it is 5 cents, and tomorrow you find it's $1. Believe me, you go bankrupt, and that's it for you. So don't play with things that you don't understand. That's why I made my training. Now, why I do my training? I do my training first to show you the risks where you put your feet. You should preserve your money first before you get the profits. Okay? If you don't know how to preserve your money, you lose it and you go bankrupt, or you lose all your account. And this is very bad. So this is what I'm always trying to explain. Okay? So Vincent says, in the future, can you do a live streaming for your subscribers or your students that buy your video that has a question? Now see, Vincent, all my students, they send me emails and I answer them and they are okay with that. Okay, so because it is so difficult to have your subscribers in one time. Some they are sleeping, some they are working, some they are in other countries. I have students in Australia, in Singapore, in Europe, in America, in South America, in Africa. So all the people, you can't put them together because they will ask the question. For me, they are always asking questions and I'm answering them. Vincent, yes, questions about the training. Yes, I understand. You have a specific question because it's not like the other trader. Someone is asking about volume, someone is asking about stop loss, someone is asking about technique in someone is asking a day trade technique, someone is asking about shorting the whole market. So the questions are different. So I can't put them together and their interest is not the same. For example, someone who is interested in stop loss, he wants me to talk about stop loss only, not about how to follow the trend, how to search for stocks, or shorting the stock, or investing. So you understand my opinion. But Vincent, if you have my training, okay, you just send me an email, or 1 or 2 emails or 10 emails, whatever you have as questions, and they will answer you. That's it. Joshua, just for YouTube, I second visits on YouTube live with subscribers would be very productive and useful. Because you see, subscribers, I am right now, what is it I am doing? I am doing a live for my subscribers, right? This is what I am doing. But this is not about my training, because in training, people have different type of questions that the other people, they don't want to listen to. Okay? So this is what we call conflict of interest. The guy wants to that I answer his question about stop loss, and I am speaking about how to follow the trend. It will not make sense. Okay? Vincent, the only problem with live training for only people, and they bought some of his training. Some people haven't bought all the training. Yes, there are problems because the people, they are not the same. What they bought, what they studied, are they new or old? Their level of trading is high or is low, or they just started. So it will be a mixture of levels of it will be very hard. That's why I'm doing it here for all my subscribers of YouTube. Anyone who wants to come, he will come on this session and he asks questions. But if it is specific to a trading, he should send me an email. It's better, because I will know, because sometimes we have details about the stock, what does it do, or if he does a mistake or something. Okay, so we need to be focused on the problem of his problem or her problem. It is not the problem of all the people, because those people, they didn't buy that stock. You see, it's always conflict of interest, as they say. This is economic thing. Hello, Mr. Mash, how are you? Nice to meet you, man. This is Mash from Glendale, Arizona. Yes, I know. When I see your face, I know who you are, Mr. Mash. You are from Arizona. That's very good. What do you think about AMD stock? Now, see, I don't think about stocks. Mr. Mash, I have a training where the stock should be bought. Okay? This is what I do. I can, if you take the training, any stock in the stock market, you will know where it is and where you can buy it when you know the strategy. It doesn't mean AMD or any other stock. If you are interested in AMD, let's say you want to invest in this stock. If you follow my strategies, you will have entries. I will show you entries where to buy this stock according to my strategies, either from the bottom support line or from the resistance line. But there are techniques. Okay. Now AMD in fundamentals, I have no idea. I have no idea what they are doing with competition, with money. I don't know. Now, when I see the stock, I will understand a little bit, but fundamentally, I don't know. And I don't go to stocks fundamentals and look after them. I don't care. When I see a stock in my signal, I buy it. It's going up. I follow it until it stops the trend. And then I take my money and bye-bye the stock until I see another entry in it, if there is. So don't focus on the stock, on one stock by name, but think about the strategy. When you know how to get the signal, how to get the criteria, any stock you can analyze. Any stock. For example, if you give me any stock, I will tell you where to buy and where to sell. It's just because I follow some techniques. Okay? It's not because I know what will happen in the future. I have no idea what will happen in the future. If the stock is not good, I exit. That's it. So we have another question from Adam. Adam is always active, asking questions. Thank you, Adam, for all your questions. If you making from stocks, why are you teaching YouTuber, not trader? If you are making money, it means if you are making money from stocks. Now we return to the questions that it is like, I have how many views? Like I have 3 million views. There is only 1 or 2 or 3 they ask your question. One is you, Adam, because you don't understand. If I am not giving you information on YouTube, and YouTube, no one is giving information, why we have YouTube? Why you are here? Ask yourself why you are here. You understand why you are here. You want information how to trade stocks. That's good. I understand why you are here. Why you don't understand why I am here? Because I am providing you with information. Now, when you see the information is free, you are happy because you like free things. But understand, in stock market, there is no free lunch. If you want free lunch, you can go to a charity, you can go to a church and you ask them food. They can give you food. But in the stock market, the people who go to the stock market, they have some money to trade with and to risk. If you are poor, you have no money, you can't go to the stock market and you are just wasting your time. So, Adam, you say you are a YouTuber. Yes, this is the medium where I train, where I give you information. You are asking me questions. If I am not here as a YouTuber, where should it be? Should it be in your house or your neighbor? Or okay? So Adam, try to understand where you are. Okay? No, just for YouTube. I understand. There are some people think that because the people they teach, it means they shouldn't teach for money. They should teach for free. Now I am telling you, who is giving his skills for free? If you go to the doctor, okay, he gives you a prescription. He doesn't do nothing than giving your prescription because he knows better than you. Okay? He doesn't do a surgery for you. Okay? Some doctors, thousands of doctors, they are just general doctors. They don't do nothing. They just know better than you. They give you a prescription and you pay them for that information. We are in what we call information industry. Even a doctor, he is in information industry, because he tells you, you tell him the symptoms, and he will give you a cure in order to cure yourself with a medicine. Okay? If you go to, for example, a tax preparer, an accountant, he will do the calculation for you because you don't know how to do it. Okay? So don't expect free things in a stock market. That's why they say it before. I don't know that you know this. They say there is no free lunch at the market. They don't give food in the market. If you are looking for food in the market, they don't give it. You should pay for it. So the information is paid. You are lucky to find me here because I'm giving you information for free right now. Okay, I'm trying to explain things in my channel. This information, it's different from the other information that other people do. And if I am not YouTuber, where do you find me? Okay, you will not find me anywhere else. That's why I am here. Okay. Adam asked another question. I saw your videos about candle. Don't say that hammer. No, no. I am not teaching you the names of the candlesticks. I am worried. I don't worry about that because I don't teach candlestick names. I am teaching you a strategy to make money. I'm not teaching you doji and hammer as they see it. This is hallucinations. One is like cross, one is like hammer, one is like I don't know. So these are just names that comes from Japan before, from this candlesticks that they use in their market. So I am not teaching that. If you want to know how do they call them, you go to some books and they will teach you candlesticks names. But in trading stocks, there will be no value for them. No value. You will not make money because of the candlesticks. You make money because of the strategy. I don't use patterns or names for candlestick. I will tell you green candlestick, red candlestick. Green candlestick is going up, red candlestick is going down. That's it, what I tell you. I don't have other. That's why I make it simple for you to understand the strategy. Okay? If I want to make it very difficult, I bring you all the names, 200 or 300 names of candlesticks, and I put them in my training. You will never understand my strategy, even if you stay years. That's why I make it so simple to understand. I don't use what the other people use. If you are interested to learn the candlesticks names, there are some books. You go online to Amazon or wherever, or Google, you will find candlesticks books and you study them. But do you get information how to trade? No. No, you don't. So you just waste your time. Okay? So the trend is not changed by candlestick form. This is your question. I can understand. Here a question of Chris. Who is the best trader of all times in your view? Now, for me, the best trader is is Livermore. If you heard of him, I will write his name, his last name. He's called just Livermore. He began the trade in the 1800, I think 96 or something. Now, why I like this guy better than all the guys? Because he was poor. And by just looking at the price, it's in 1896. It means it's before the First World War, before the Second World War. It means before it means he was trading in the old times. But he succeeded to make millions of dollars at that time. You see at the time, and he was one of the best traders in the world. This is my just opinion. Now there are other traders very famous. I know there are a lot, but for me, he was one of the best traders in the world. Okay, and he short a lot, he go long a lot, and when all the people lose their money, he is the one who is making money. For example, in 1929, when we have the crisis, financial crisis, he is one of the biggest winners in that year. Believe it or not. If not, you can read about him. He has his books, and there is one who wrote a book about him. It's literature, but it is one of the best books of trading ever. That's why I like him very much. Okay, so if you, it's very good if you can. There are some books that speak about traders, their history and their performance, and you can just read books for literature. You can get some information about them, which is a very good thing. I like reading about these guys. Okay, it's just history, but it doesn't they don't give you strategies or how to trade, because these guys, they were secret. It means they die with their secrets. Okay, they die with their secrets. That's them. They don't want to teach. It's all for them. No, Chris, please, Chris, send me an email. I will search for the book. The book is written by Lefebvre, I guess. This is his last name, the guy who has written a book about him. But I don't know. I forgot the name. The name is very, very famous, and you can find it even $1 or $2 in the market. You can find very cheap. Okay, so it's a very cheap because it's public domain. It means you find it for $1 or $2. It's because it is 19th century, beginning of 19th century. You will no, I see there are a lot of I have no chance to read about all traders. I read about some, but you know, each one is different, so I don't know. Definitely I don't know about all the people. Okay, but there are very famous guys. Okay, so what is it? Another question. Schmook. Institution and hedge funds create their own new strategy. No matter strategy you use, it will fail. It fail most. Adam, you what are you saying? What are you saying? What do you mean? Every strategy you do, you will fail. that's very interesting. You see, hedge funds and mutual funds, when they buy a stock, they buy it for 2 months, 6 months, and they are buying the same stock. So this is the opportunity to make money. Mutual fund, they create the trends in the market. And because they create the market, we as swing traders, we follow them and we make money. This is how it works. Okay? Thank you very much, Chris Clark. Now, and see, Adam, institutional hedge fund managers are traders. They go for long positions, okay, longer positions, because they have a lot of money. And because they have a lot of money, they can do something in the market. Okay, that's the thing. And it doesn't mean that they succeed always. Some mutual fund, even they fail. Okay, they don't do good in the market. So it's not all, it depends. And it depends about the whole market. If they are buying and there is a bull market, everybody will make, most of the people will make money. Now, as I told you today, we have another question. Can mutual funds sell anything they want, or they have to follow some rule? No. See, in general, mutual fund managers, they have restrictions. First, they don't short sell the stock. They don't. They use bonds, they use going long, but they don't short sell the stock. A hedge fund, yes, because he is more free than mutual funds. Mutual funds, if they short the stock, the whole market will collapse. Because a hedge fund manager, let's say he has $1 trillion. It means 1,000 billion dollars he has in his account. If he short the stock, what does it mean? All the stock market will be going down until it collapses. That's why the government or the SEC, or they don't let him. So they give him a percentage to sell. But there is no selling short for for mutual funds. Understand that. This is no. That's why the market keep itself strong. Hedge funds, yes, they can short, they can do whatever they want. Okay? Now, Chris Clark asked another question. Are you from Lebanon, by the way? Cause I went there last year and I did the training at the BSE, Beirut Stock Exchange. My mother is Lebanese. That's very good. No. I'm not Lebanese. I am Algerian in origin. Algerian, from Algeria. So we are the same, Chris. Your mother is Lebanese. Okay. And how is the training at the BS exchange? Are you going to work in the exchange, which is a very, very good thing? It means it's a good thing. Or are you just exploring opportunities, which is very good if you can do that? So our subject today, as explained, it is mistakes in trading and investing. A trader, mostly you should not see the fundamentals of the company. You are just wasting your time. And if someone is doing trading and then he goes to see the fundamentals of the company, he is wrong, because he doesn't believe in the price action. Okay? The only thing you should see and use is whether there is earning date. Okay? Or there is maybe an acquisition or mergers. But there is no prediction. Okay? So you did an internship there. So, but Chris Clark, are you working there right now, or are you having a job or something, or you just internship is just to see how the thing work? But the market in Beirut is very weak at the moment because of situation in Syria. Yes, all the stock markets near that area is we have problems there. Now, Vincent, he said to me, I think you misunderstood my question. I am talking about stocks that mutual fund own. If they decide to sell the stocks they own in the mutual fund, can they sell anytime or most of the time? No, I have no idea. But what I know is that they can't sell all the stocks they have a percentage. I am not a mutual fund manager. I am not a hedge fund manager. And this information, they will never give it to you because it is secrets. And you should be into the business in order to know. It's like you ask someone who works in the bank, how much they give you, or what is the bonus, or how much money they give you as commission. Or these questions are hidden questions, and those who work in the money, they will never show you what they make. So I understand that you shouldn't ask. You shouldn't ask these questions. You should be, if you like it, you should be with them. Okay? So I'm telling you right now, no, I have no idea. Vincent, when you are asking me specific questions about things that I will never know, and I have never known. Now for me, I know when a mutual fund is buying, I know when a mutual fund is selling, and this is what I want to know. I don't want to know secrets. I want to see the price, and this is sufficient for me. I am making money from this information only in the market because this information is true and the price doesn't lie. I always say in my YouTube channel, when you see a stock is going down for long, understand that mutual fund is selling because he knows something bad in the market, in that company or in that sector. Okay? So always there is a reason. For us, what is important for us as swing traders? Our important thing is to follow the price and to see if there is a trend, yes or no. This is what we are looking for. I am not looking for secrets or how mutual funds names or how much they make or when they want to sell, because this information is a secret. How can a mutual fund tells you when he wants to sell? Are you crazy? No one tells you, because if they sell, all the mutual funds sell on the same time, what does it mean? It means you see each day a correction on the same day or days. This will be easy for anyone to make money. Okay, let's say it is the 1st of December, there is a small correction. All the people, they go on the 19th, they sell short, and in the 20th, the stock market go down and they make money each year. Do you think that the market is stupid? Or the mutual funds are stupid? Or the hedge funds are stupid to do these mistakes and to give information to the people? They will never give information to the public. Understand that and stop asking about something that you will never get as information. This is all the stock market is secrets. Okay? No one is giving information to the other party because you will make money as him. That's why they don't want to. So it is a business secret. And Chris says, no, I am not working there. I just did an internship of 6 months. I work as an auditing firm called KPMG. Yes, it's very good. It's very good. If you get the opportunity to know the stock market, to know the inside, and to work with the other guys, and you can have a lot of money there. This is for sure, because jobs in the exchanges and in mutual funds, hedge funds, these are very, very paying jobs. Okay, so whatever, anyone who has a bachelor degree in finance or some sort, he can be a broker, who can be something like that, and he can make a lot of money because it's a very good and lucrative job. Okay, so it's very good. Now, as I told you before, mistakes happen, and traders sometimes they are confused. They don't know what they are doing, and this is the problem that I am always speaking about. When you don't know what you are doing, you will do a lot of mistakes, and these mistakes will take your money, and that's why you lose money. Whenever you correct these mistakes and you know what you are doing, even if you lose money, you know why you lost money, and you know that you did a mistake that you shouldn't do. Okay? So this is one of the biggest mistakes. You don't know what you are doing. Some people, as I tell you before, they mix techniques. Okay? Techniques from investing, they use it in swing trading. Techniques from swing trading, they use it in investing. And this mixture makes chaos in your account. Your account will be shrinking and you will be losing money and you don't know what's the problem. The problem is that you are mixing everything together. If you are doing day trading, you should go there and be a day trader. If you want to do a swing trader, you should do that if you like it. If you want to be an investor for the long run, you should do that. But separate. Don't mix things. Okay? As I told you about the example, as I give you the example of someone who sent me an email, and I see that the stock is not doing well, because he is making little money in that stock. He thinks that he understood everything, and I told him that you are heading to a catastrophe. Just what I see in the chart. I don't like the chart at all. But he is staying and he is predicting that the stock will go up to a certain price, and he is happy with that because he sees the money. Whenever there is a problem and he doesn't see the money and the money is gone because there is a gap down, he will understand what I am saying, but it is too late. Okay? So Vincent says, but if you look at past charts, most of the sell-off or major corrections happen around September, October. Is that true? What did I tell you, Vincent? What did I tell you, Vincent? I am not following what the corrections are. And if you stay in September and October and there is no correction, what will happen? So you are beginning to get scared of the market. You want to trade, but you are thinking that there is crash, or there is what we call reverse of the trend, and everything will be going down, and you lose a lot of money. This is not correct, because if you put a stop loss, you will exit on time. You don't need whatever happens in the market, it happens. Stop predicting the market. Stop following these guys that they tell you, oh, in September, October, there will be a crash. How do they know? Okay? You will never know when something happened. Believe it or not. Okay? So try not to be scared. And this is one of the problems that I am speaking about right now. To be scared of the market, you begin 5 excuses not to trade, not to invest, and you begin getting scared always, and you do nothing. You just watch. You have a bull trend, you have all the stocks going up, you don't buy. 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. And when it is at the end, and you see a good trend, and you say, no, I should participate in this. But it's the end. You don't understand what we call the momentum. The momentum is to buy on time. There are techniques to get a signal. When you buy, you can make money. Okay? But if you get scared, you will never see the money. And why do we put stop loss? We put stop loss in order to exit in when the risk is big. You just exit. Either it is a bull market, or it is bear market, or whatever, or there is a crash, or there is whatever it is, you will exit, that's it. So, Vincent, try not to listen too much to TV, okay? Because when you listen to people, they give you different opinions, and they try to forecast the future, they try to predict the future, and they let you confused. But with my strategies, I am not confused. I follow the price. I don't care about what the people say. They say what they say. Okay? So I'm not worried, and I am not concerned about the market if it goes up or goes down. I don't care. What I care about is my stocks. Are they going up? Okay. Let's see, Vincent, the trade that I am in. It's 3 months and 3 weeks. I'm still in. I am not waiting for some guru or some analyst to say to me, oh, your stock that you are in will have a problem in a few days. Okay? I'm not worried about this, guys. And I don't watch the news for stocks. I don't watch. Believe it or not, I don't watch any TV or any stock news. I don't watch at all. The exception is the earning dates, because it is important for some stocks only, not all the stocks. Because some earning dates for some stocks doesn't work. The stock is the same. We have no gap up, no gap down. So I am not worried about them. Okay? So Adam says, this stock that moved from 13 to is slow stock. I can show you stock that moved 11 points in one day, yes? This stock that you choose is not runner. He is not runner. See how much percentage you get. But for me, I don't care if the stock is a runner or it is not runner. The most important thing is I am making money. And by teaching how to follow a stock, it is not the time that I'm speaking about. I'm speaking about you can get a lot of money in few days. Okay? If you are in that stock. I have a stock. I will give you an example, Adam. Maybe I put it in YouTube. It's an old time. I don't know even what is its name. Okay? I bought one time a stock at 11.55. Okay? And 11.55, the first day, it goes to 29.50 in the third day. What does it mean? Nearly 300% in 3 days. Okay? Nearly 300%. It's not penny stock. It's not a small stock. It's 11.55. Penny stocks are under $5. Okay? So I am not showing you if it is a runner or it is a slower. I am showing you how to deal in order to stay longer to make more money. This is what I am showing, because this is a skill, Adam. If you don't know how to handle a stock, you will exit early with little money, always. But you can't say which stock is going faster than the other stocks. Okay? Until you do the trade, until you finish with the trade, and then you see. Okay? So it depends. So 300% in 3 days, it is more than a runner. Okay? But not all the stocks do that. So I am not here comparing stocks that the stock that I am in is better than the other stock. Here I am showing you my training, how to deal with the stocks, how to follow the stock, an uptrend. It means how to follow this trend. I'm not showing you the stock that it is fast or not. So you should understand what I am saying in order to understand to understand my training. But you are always out of the subject. Okay? You are always out of the subject because you don't focus on the training itself. You are having ideas out of, each time you come with another idea out of the training. That's why you will not understand what I am saying, or what I am doing, or what I am training. But I try to answer your questions as much as I can. One time I bought a stock 78, next day is 135. I put it on YouTube. So I doubled my money in 1 day. Okay, it's 78. It is not a penny stock that it is $1, it goes to $2 by manipulation. This is a big stock, 78. I have a gap up next day because some earnings. I get 135. I double my money in one day. Yes, as wise men said, people on TV that are talking about selling off the market crash, are giving their opinions to those people that are doing the long. Now, see, an investor, he's investing for the long run, for many years. He is not worried to listen to people each day saying that the market will collapse. They say it for many years. Okay? It's like when you say, let's say today is Sunday, you say, oh, on Monday the stock will be going up, or the market is going up. Someone says, oh, the market will be going down. There is one who will win, but this is just predictions. It's not what we are doing here. We are doing here strategies that make money for the long run. It means something that it is, you know how to search for stocks, how to follow a trend, how to put your stop loss, how to protect your money. This is what we call strategies. It's not just predictions. Predictions, any stupid person in the outside who doesn't know the stock market, you tell him, oh, what do you think about the market tomorrow? You say it will be up. Someone said it will be down. Okay, this is not trading at all, or this is not investing. Okay. Hey, Minyapan Mini, you come late. We are in 1 hour 26 minutes, but it's okay. We are still here. Okay, we are still here. So it's 1 hour 26. I will be bringing another cup of coffee and then I come back. So wait for me and ask your questions. I will be right back. Hello guys, I'm back. Yes, there is no question. Okay, that's very good. So, so the mistakes in trading and investing, there are a lot of mistakes. And you should understand the basics of trading and the basics of investing separately. Okay, investing, you are looking for the fundamentals of the company itself and the competition. Don't neglect the competition. It's not that a company is making money, it will stay making money forever. There are some companies that you see that they go bankrupt. If you go online, you see big names, big companies, big banks, and they go bankrupt. But before, they were doing good. But competition, other bigger companies, they take more customers from them, so they have no customers and they fail to make money. That's why they collapse. So when you are an investor, think about the company you are investing in. Is it doing good in comparison with other companies that are in the same industry? Okay? Is it becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and making more money and money and money and raising the dividend for some companies, okay, that are raising the dividend, always raising? It means that this company is becoming bigger and bigger. Okay? It needs an expertise. It means you know what you are looking for and you know what you are doing. And are you investing for the long run for many companies? Or are you just like the other normal people who have a 401k in their job and they just invest little money in the market, and it is mutual funds or bonds, so you are not making that much from the money? Okay? So in trading is different. Let's say in the swing trading that we do, in swing trading we don't look at the company. This is my strategies based not on the company. All the information that you see on the company, I don't care. The earnings, the competition, the company name, what does it does, the sector, the industry, I don't care about all these. Because if you begin to look at all the information online, you will get confused and you will never know when to buy, when to sell, because you get a lot of information. But if you get only one information, that it is a true information in the market, okay, that information is one of the basics of my strategy, is the price. And understand that trading and investing is human. There are people always buying and selling. If you want to buy a stock right now, let's say from the market, let's say on Monday, you buy a stock, there is a seller and you are a buyer. You ask yourself, why this seller is selling the stock if the stock is going up? Okay? And why are you buying when the stock is going down or up? Each one has his own reason. That's why try to focus on yourself. Don't focus on other people, what they do. Because when you want to buy, someone is selling for you. Are you asking that guy, oh man, why are you selling your stock to me? Okay? He will ask you the same question. Why are you buying stock from me? So it depends on the opinion of a trader always, that we buy or sell according to our opinion, based on our knowledge of trading or investing. So always we have different opinion in the market. That's why we have selling and we have buying. Always, each second we have this. Okay? Now, the lack of knowledge is one of the problem in these mistakes. So here Minyapan, he has a question. Sir, as I can see lots of people saying USA market is going to crash very soon and we are going to see one more recession like 2000. Who tells you this? Okay? People, each year they say it. And even if the stocks are going down, we short them. What's the problem? We are not investors. We are not investors. No one will know what happened in the future. Last year, when we have the Brexit news, the stock has been going, let's say, 1,300 points. 1,300 points last year in 2 days, and all the people think that it is a crash in the market. It is those people who are always speaking about crash. From 2008 until now, 2017, it's 9 years. They are speaking about crash, but it doesn't come. Okay? So when someone says to me, oh, the crash will happen tomorrow, okay, what's the problem for me? I don't care. I'm not having millions of dollars long. I'm a trader. I put stop loss. If things go wrong, I exit and I short the stock. That's it. I will be making money if the stock is going down or the whole index is going down. I will be making money. So what's the problem? Why are you always worried about the market which is going up or going down? Worry about what you buy yourself. Try to focus on your business. What stocks you are buying. Don't focus on the whole thing, because the whole thing, it's not you. You can't buy the whole market. Oh, you say, in Japan, a lot of professional traders in YouTube and TV. Do they know the future, these guys? And what do they ask you to do? They ask you to dance? What do I ask you to do? Oh, there is something, there is like a monster is coming to us, so we should hide in our houses, and we don't trade, we don't invest, we take all our money and we begin waiting for the crash. It's like it's like the eclipse that the people are waiting for. Okay? So stop watching TV, because you are watching a lot of cartoon, a lot of Mickey, a lot of cartoon in the market. That's why you have hallucinations about the market. Okay? Those people will speak every day, every night, because they have nothing to tell. And if they say that the market crash, what is it for you? Okay? What is it for you? If it comes, it comes. What's the problem? There is no problem. Okay? And in TV, yes, the people, they are paid to speak. Okay? Because they should say something to you if you are listening to them. But for me, I'm not listening for those people. I don't listen. And in my channel, I have never told you that there is a crash or there is a bull. I'm telling you, always focus on your business. If you buy a stock, like me, for example, I bought stock on the 1st of May. 3 months, 3 weeks, I'm still in. I don't care. I don't care what will happen in the market. I'm focusing on my business, on my stock that is going up to make money. Why should I care about the market which will crash? No way. So the best thing that I'm telling you is just try to focus on getting more knowledge on how to trade. Okay, I have training level 18, how to short the whole market by sectors and industries. If you are interested, if you think that the market will be going down, you can order my strategy, and you can use it in order to make money. If the indexes are going down, your stock that you buy will be going up, and you will be making money. Okay, in Japan, check training level 18. Okay, how to short the whole market. I will write it for you. So, how to short the whole market. It's not like what we call, to make sure you understand, it's not like selling short. Okay? It is just shorting without really shorting. Okay? It is using ETFs to short. but it is not like when you short with the margin account. Even with the cash account, you can short the market without selling short from margin account. This is a special way to do business. So if you are worried a lot, try to take my training, study it, wait for the market when it crashes, and try my strategy. If the market is still going down and there is a downtrend in the whole market, you will be making money. That's it. So why you worry about going long? You can go short also, and you can make money. But I'm not speaking about selling short in stocks, because I don't like to do swing trading with selling short. Okay? No, see, it is shorting but not selling stocks like we do in training level 11. If you go to my training, which is training level 11, how to short sell a stock, no, it's not this. Here you yes, here we short the indexes. Short the indexes. Okay, let's see. Short the indexes. Okay, we are not selling short stocks, so we don't need margin account. Even with your cash account, you can short by using my strategy. Okay, so it is not the same as selling short as in stocks, because that one is dangerous. Okay, this is an index. Index, it doesn't go that fast up or down. So when you put stop loss, you will exit earlier, and it's very good for you. You just go to that training, learn more. You can click learn more. You will study. You see if it's good for you. If you want it, you can order it and you can check it. You have it in videos and ebooks. It's the same information, and that's it. Okay, so mistakes in trading and investing, there are a lot, and each time I just give you some information. Okay, and since my channel, the whole channel is about swing trading, so I'm trying just to focus a lot on swing trading, because we are following trends. And when you see a good trend and you see all that money in the trend, you wish you could be there. But you don't want to risk. And this is a problem. In trading or investing, when you buy something from the stock market, okay, you are having a risk to lose money. There is no one who buys or sells short and he thinks that you will be making money right away. There are sometimes when you lose money, and this is part of the game. That's why we put stop loss. So this is a game of probabilities, not a sure thing, because most of the people, they want a sure thing. The market doesn't accept a sure thing, but it accepts opportunities and probabilities in the market in order to make money. Okay, so another thing that the mistakes in trading is that most of the people, they have a very small account, and this is a problem for you, because when we have a very small account, you can't trade what you like. You will be obliged to trade penny stocks which have risk in themselves. They are a very high risk. Okay, so you are obliged to do that because you don't have another opportunity to buy stocks that are $30, $50, $100, $200, $50 or $500. You don't have money, so you will be obliged. It's like when you don't have money to buy food, so you buy just the little things that nobody wants. So you are obliged. And this, I say always, that you should always save money, okay? Save money for the future. Try to build a bigger account because you will need it in the future. In the future, when you know how to trade, the main problem that faces you when you know how to trade is that you don't have enough money. You see opportunities everywhere. You see a lot of stocks. One is 50, one is 30, one is 150, one is 250. You see a lot of opportunities, and you see, and each day you see they are going so good. But the problem, you don't have money. When you don't have money, you just look at things go, and believe me, a stock like, let's say Facebook. Facebook was 70.55 in 2012. It reaches 170 right now, in these days, okay? So from 17.55 to 170, it's a big money. Now, if you want to buy it, it is more expensive. But in 2012, it was so cheap. Okay? So you see the difference? Now, if you want to begin trading now, Facebook is 170. It's not anymore 17.55. So you see the difference. And people, they have opportunities in the market, and we have daily opportunities. It means that the opportunities doesn't stop. But there are new companies that emerge and become bigger and bigger and bigger, and before they were non-existent. Okay? Think about, for example, Amazon. Think about Google. Think about Facebook. Apple. These companies, they are new companies. Okay? It means each time we have a company that it is new, it is a small, and then becomes big. This is one of the things. So, as I told you before, if people are scared of the market, you can begin to see how to short the stock. Either you do day trading, or you can use a training level 18 and you can short the whole index or the whole sector and you use it. If you find opportunities to go long, so you go long and you make whatever you make. Okay, so I'm trying to see if we have more questions for this session. We are in 1 hour 47 minutes. And I will be waiting for more questions that you have. For my live trade, I posted video number 13 for this week. So I made it on Friday. Okay? And I publish it. Maybe you find it now ready and you can just watch it. And you see how I follow the stock for 3 months and 3 weeks nearly. And we will see next week if I am still in or I exit the trade. So you ask me the question. I don't know. Because in all my strategies, I don't predict anything. Prediction is very easy. Okay? Anyone can predict. But trading stocks, no one, it's not for everybody. Why? Because predicting, if I say to you, what will be the market on Monday? Some days say it's up, some days say it's down. It's easy. Okay? But in order to trade, you need skills. These skills, you will get them by knowing the strategy and by practicing for a long time. These things that I'm speaking about, they are not 1 day or 2 or 1 month or 2 and you get all the skills. You should work on, and you see a lot of stocks, because the stocks, when they move, they are different. Some they are very fast, some they are very slow, some they don't move at all. 1 year or 2 or 3 years, you find it the same stock. It doesn't move. The price is always the same. It goes up a little bit, goes down a little bit, goes. It means there is no mutual fund that shake this stock and push it up. That's why the traders sometimes they go up. It means they go long. Sometimes they short it, but there is no real person behind. So it is like equal. It's balanced stock. It doesn't go that much. If this stock is going is giving dividend, this is very good stock, because you don't care if it gives you dividend and doesn't move up or down. It's just in the middle. It's very good because you can make money from it. If the stock doesn't give dividend, this is very hard, because you will stay in 2 years or 3 years or 6 years, you stay in the same time and the same money. So you are not making any money. And as I told you before, for investing, it is not the time that it is most important. People, they think it's the time. When you stay longer, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, you can make money, which is not true. Okay? The good thing is the direction. If the stock is going up in 2 years or 3 years, you can make money, a lot of money. Even if it goes 6 months, 8 months, it can make money. Thank you, Mr. Mash. Thank you very much for attending this session and asking questions. Thank you very much. And as I told you before, it's not the time that makes the difference. Okay, some stocks, they run so fast, they are runners, they can run very fast in a small time. But understand that investors, they need years to see their companies grow. A company doesn't grow in 1 day or 2. It needs years to establish itself, to become bigger and bigger, to have more stores, more products, and so on. Okay? And for swing trading, it's different. For swing trading, we are not looking for the company to become bigger or to become more powerful or to have good competition or to have good earnings. We are not worried about that. We, as a swing traders, we are looking for a stock that goes into a trend. We buy it on a signal, on time, on the momentum, and then when it goes up, we follow it. When the stock is not giving any more money and it's heading down, we exit and we take our profit. This is what we do always, and this is what I teach swing traders to do. And this is the easiest way to make money compared to investing to stay many years and you will never know if you are making money, yes or no, or day trading, which always you have trouble with going in the morning and trouble finding the direction of the day. It's a lot of trouble with day traders. Okay? And sometimes in day traders right now, we have a lot of machines, softwares, algorithm, and all are working with you, so you will never know who is with you. Maybe you are alone with a machine. This is very hard. So as we are heading to robots, and maybe traders before in the future they become robots and there is no human stock market. At that time, people will make money, because if you use math only, you can make money. But understand that the market is made of human being. Human being, they are foolish. They don't know what they are doing. Someone, he sees the stock is going up, but he sells. Although he sees that he is making more and more money, but he doesn't want to wait. He gets $100 or $200, and after a few weeks, his stock is making $2,000 or $3,000. And he is getting only 100 or 200. Okay? Hello, hey Pablo. Pablo, you come too late. I am very fine. Why you don't come early? It's like 1 hour 54. We are at the end of the session. But it's okay, you can ask some questions. Hello, PJ Gordon. He says earnings are not irrelevant nevertheless, right? Because good earnings on a stock puts the swing trade in your favor. No? No, see. Earnings, for some stocks, we have a gap up or gap down. Sometimes if they are good, you will have a gap up, which will push the stock. Yes, it's very good. But after that, if the stock continues or don't continue, this is another story. Okay? So, and you will never know. For example, let's say you buy a stock today. Let's say today is Monday. You buy the stock on the at the afternoon, and after the market close, we have the earnings. You will never know if the earnings are good or bad. And even if they are good, you will never know if you have a gap up, yes or no. There are some industries, some sectors that they have no gap, no gap down. It means few stocks have them. But there are some indexes, some industries and sectors, most of the stocks are volatile because the news, there are a lot of traders who accept the news and respond to the news. Okay? So, earnings are double-sword thing. But since you don't know they are good or bad, the suspense is always there. So for me, I don't worry about earnings a lot. I should know when they are in order to either to stay, to take the risk, because I can have a gap down and lose a lot of money. So if I am with the risk, I stay. If I am not with the risk, I exit. So it's a very important date for some kind of stocks. But there are other kind of stocks, you don't worry about them because they don't have a gap up or gap down because of the news. If the news are good or bad, you see the stock doesn't move that much. So thank you very much, PJ Gordon, for your question. You are new here. I think I haven't seen you before. I don't know. Abu Dunnur Haji, he says, I was worried about the buy share and I think I am losing how to start and how to do it. So, Abdunur Haji, you should either get my strategy training or you go get some training. At least you will know what you are doing. The most important thing is to know what you are doing. Because when you want to buy, there are techniques, there are signals that the people get for certain strategies. So if you want to follow my strategies, you can just go there, get the subscription at first, or get training that you like, and just try. Okay, if you have questions, even before you order, you can just ask me questions. But you should first read the training levels because they are put into levels, and you can ask me questions. Okay. This is the first thing you can do. Okay. So Abdunur Haji, I put my my email and my website. Go to my website, check the training. I have for tomorrow, it means for today, which is Sunday, only one day, 65% discount for videos and 80% for ebooks. If you are interested, you can get one and you can just check. If it is good for you, you continue. If you have questions, you ask questions, and I am here always for you. Pablo, you say, starting to do one-to-one training via Skype. Yes, no. See, Pablo, I have been doing this before I have my training by videos or ebooks. This is what I do before. I train one-to-one. I don't have videos. I don't have training online. Now, when I made it online and it is cheaper than one-to-one, I just neglected and I don't advertise for it. That's why in many years you never see that I say I will teach people one by one. Okay, I will just have my training and online, and people, they just go and order it and they train. If they have questions, they ask me by email. But I put it again because there are some people, they don't know. okay, that I am giving training. Some they ask me for, and I train them, and it is more expensive than the videos. Okay, that's why it's not affordable for everybody. So it's just for some people. Okay. So that's it for training one by one by Skype. I use it always for one-to-one. Hey Vincent, you should send me an email, because there are a lot of Vincent, send me an email, because you can have it all, or you can have, there are 4 parts, you can have 1 part, or you can ask me what you want to learn, and I make lessons goes directly to your needs. So there's a lot of prices, a lot of things. So the first thing you can go is check, let's say here, check my my page first for information, and then you can go and ask me questions by email. Okay, so here is my page. Please go to my website. This is the page, direct training by Skype. You go there and you read the information, and if you get interested, you send me an email and we can speak privately, because this is a one-to-one, so it's not public for everyone. Okay. Now we are at the end of the live session for today. I have some questions, and it's very good. It's very good that I get some questions, and I have answered a lot of questions, which is very good. Now, for you guys, if you have more questions about whatever we talk about today or in the past, you can ask me questions and I will answer them. For those who want just to have private emails, is better, because some people, they have private issues, not common issues for everybody. Okay, so each trader is different, and each one is different from other people. Okay, so you can ask questions as usual, or go to our website to check for information. If you need something, you just let me know. So as I told you, mistakes, there are a lot, and I have especially in trading, I have training about solving the problems. Okay, solving the problems that you can face, and it is training level 17. I will put the information here. Maybe some people, they get interested, which is very good. So it's called training level 17, how to fix your trading problems. These, I put 28 problems that it can face you in trading. These are mistakes that the people do. Some mistakes are very known, and some mistakes are not known. You will never know that you are doing mistakes, but you don't know. So if you are interested, you can go to training level 17 and you study this training. You'll find 28 problems and their solutions. The good thing is that when I give you a problem that you are facing, and if you did it, you will find the solution, and you just work on this solution. Okay, this is the most important thing in this training. If you want to short the whole market with indexes, and you are scared that the market will be reversing and the bull market will be going down, so it's high time to check training level 18. Pablo, you say, how's your stock going? Yes, it's going good. I make video number 13. Pablo, I think you have training level 7. If you have training level 7 by ebook, or I put the videos also there. And the training level 7 by videos, how to follow an uptrend, or the subscription. These are the 3 places I put my live video. You will find training level 13. You can just go there and check, which is a very, very good practice, and it is live, and you will see what I am doing. And I have made right now 13 lessons. Okay, and the lesson on Friday, when we finish the week, okay, I put lesson 13. This is just to show you how I follow a stock, to go you the techniques that I use in training level 7. There is theory and there is practice. Okay? Yes, yes. Pablo, my subscription is about that. Each week I do how to search for stocks and how to have better stocks. But you know, the whole market is a lot of stocks. Okay? When you know how to search for stocks, you will do it by yourself. But I will help you by that. You can see my subscription. Okay? You will see my subscription only. And you can study. And you find the live trade there also. Each Friday, I search for stocks and I put them in the chart, and I will tell you which is good, which is bad, and why, according to my criteria, and I will do it each week. Okay, so we are in, I think, 85 week. We are in 85. Okay, 85 week. It means more than 1.5 years searching. But this, it doesn't mean that when I say it's a good stock to buy, it means that it will go up by force, because there is probabilities. That's why we put stop loss. Okay, so you should always understand my whole strategy is based on probabilities. It is not based on sure thing, because it doesn't exist in the market. If someone tells you that there is a sure thing, he lies, because it doesn't exist a sure thing. Because you will never know what the people will do on Monday, for example. You will never know. Maybe there is a crash in the market. Maybe there is a bull day in the market. You will never know what will happen. Maybe all the market is going good and your stock is going bad. How about that? And maybe your stock is going up and the whole market is going down. What do you think about that? So there are surprises in the market. So you should be with the surprises, and you should always focus on what you have. Don't focus on other stocks. Someone tells me, for example, send me an email, oh, that stock has a good gap up. I say, yes. I say, were you in? He say, no. I say, why you tell me? That's a funny thing. Why you tell me when you are not in? Because daily we have gap ups and gap downs. Okay? So try just to focus on what you do yourself. Don't focus on other stocks, because you just waste your time. Okay? So I think it's the end of this session. So please, if you have more questions, you can ask me questions. And if not, you can send me a private message. And that's it. Pablo, I do good for 1 month or 2, and then I will invest too much and lose all profits. Yes, Pablo, because you are doing some same mistakes. If you have a profit and you lose it, that's why you are making mistakes. You can send me one stock or two or three with all the information that I told you before, and we can discuss that in private, and I will tell you why you are losing profits. Because if you are making 1 month or 2 months profits and then you lose them in 1 month or two, it means you have some problems. That's why I told you there is training level 17, how to fix your trading problems. You are doing the same problems. That's why sometimes you do good and then you do bad. You have some problems you should focus on. Okay? Sometimes you do crazy, risky stocks, trades. Okay? So understand what you are doing first. Thank you very much for watching this live session. Please, if you have more questions, thank you, wise man. Okay. Yes, you know, making money and then losing the money is part of the game, but try to see what's going on. Is it you that you did the mistake, or is it just because of the probabilities? So I can't know. I know when I see your trades. If I see your trades, I will know that you are doing mistakes in the instructions. It means you don't follow the instructions. Okay? You follow crazy trades and they are risky, and then when you lose, you say, why I am losing? It's just because you are doing risky trades or you don't enter on time. There are a lot of things that happen. Okay? Thank you, wise man, and thank you, Pablo, and thank you, everybody who have been following me these 2 hours and 11 minutes. And see you next Saturday, if God wills. But from now to that time, if you have questions, don't wait. Send me some questions, and I will be glad to answer you all. Thank you very much, and see you next